But here we are. I'm outside, I'm at the back of my house, and I wanted to show you, of course, Thermomix, but the two fantastic promotions that we are giving you, our customers, this September to celebrate our 50th Thermomix anniversary. Yes, because Thermomix is 50 years old. The first one was made, as you know, in 1971. It's just a bit older than me. Anyway, so this September you can have a TM6, the latest Thermomix model, together with an extra bowl. Here it is. And that's a fantastic bundle. So an extra bowl will normally cost you £169, but in September you can only pay £50 for that. So it's a savings of £119. I mean, that's fantastic. Ask any Thermomix customer, they will tell you how handy a second bowl comes in the kitchen. But that's not it. We've got another offer. Yeah, absolutely. Let me show you and introduce you to our Thermomix Friend. Here we are. So the Thermomix Friend, as you know, it's a little helper. Is your sous vide to the head chef, that's the Thermomix, and it's designed to make your cooking even faster by doubling up the amount of recipes you cook, or helping you cook two different recipes at the same time. So what's the deal on the TM6 and the TM6 Friend? Okay, so the bundle enables you to get a whopping £279 off the Thermomix Friend. I mean, that's crazy, absolutely crazy. So obviously not all offers suit everyone, okay? So you have two offers to choose from, and most importantly, you've still got about 3 weeks to make your choice. Both offers end on the 30th of September, right? 30th of September. So pick up the phone, send me an email, WhatsApp, and we can arrange a demonstration and place your order. You won't regret it. Don't delay, don't miss out. These are two fantastic offers that you don't want to miss out of. Talk to you soon. Bye.